So after hitting a record high of just over 103,000 US dollars, there was a bit of profit taking. And that caused the price of Bitcoin to, very briefly, drop by more than $11,000 this morning, as a lot of people decided now was a good time to get out and turn some of that digital gold into actual money. Since then, Bitcoin has recovered to about 97,500, while the Aussie dollar, at 64.3 US cents, is stuck at its weakest level in more than 7 months. And for those who are dabbling in crypto for the first time, a word of caution. Every time Bitcoin hit a record high these past few years, it didn't take long for a big crash to happen. The other thing is Bitcoin doesn't actually get used for anything. It's also practically impossible to value it objectively, as the hope is that there's always someone else who's willing to pay more than you did. Something the ASIC chairman Joe Longo calls the bigger fool theory. His words, not mine. But perhaps the bigger fools, some might argue, are the ones who didn't speculate on crypto a decade ago, before its value shot up 26,000%. Now onto the conventional share market. It wasn't a great day for the All Ords, which fell by 0.6%, with mining stocks being the worst performers, like Iluka Resources, which plunged 10%. That's despite the government announcing it'll lend Iluka an extra $400 million to prop up its rare earths project in WA. And that's on top of the billion-dollar government loan it's already received. Global markets were a bit mixed, with Wall Street and Tokyo down and Chinese markets up. And while gold and oil prices didn't fall by very much, iron ore is down by a pretty steep 2.5%. And that's finance.